if you are strict about what you believe a pinwheel is, and you think a pinwheel is actually a single circle, right? So if you think this is what defines a pinwheel, and you want to do a pinwheel extension, then they have to both come to and come from that point over your head. That same direction, this would be an underhand opposite version of it. If you believe this is a pinwheel, where it looks more like a Venn diagram if you flatten the circles, then it doesn't, you can return right to here and there's no shame in that game. And similarly, this would be the opposite direction version of that. I just think that this, especially as a short person, has more flair and, I mean, you know, size matters. It's bigger, so there's more going on with it, and I think it has more impact than this. But that could just be pedantry and poi. So your mileage may vary.